When people say trading, you see red and green colors, a lot of numbers. And sometimes all that trading is so complicated, so many numbers, price fluctuates all the time. However, some people will tell you that the trading is easy and that very lucrative. However, the truth is something between. Today, we will learn what is Forex. The foreign exchange, also known as the Forex or FX, is global marketplace for exchanging national currencies. Because of the worldwide reach of trade, commerce, and finance, Forex markets tend to be the largest and most liquid asset markets in the world. So remember, very easy, when somebody asks you what is Forex, it's a global financial market that does allow one to trade currencies. So when we say Forex, the first thing that you need to know that in one day the Forex market has turnover of $5 trillion. But this data is outdated because I think that just last year we had almost $7 trillion in one trading day. Forex is very interesting because we have currencies that trade against each other as exchange rate pairs. For example, Euro Japanese yen is a currency pair for trading the euro against the Japanese yen. And it looks like this. You have always two prices to watch. But before that, before prices, you need to watch a Forex market overall. In the Forex market, we have traders, retail traders, like ordinary people. We have a big dogs, real traders, big companies, and we have two more players, brokers and market makers. A market maker or liquidity provider is a company or individual that quotes both a buy and sell price in the tradable assets. So liquidity providers, they trade all the time. They do not predict the market, just create liquidity for that market. However, contrary, there is a brokers. Brokers can be market makers, but usually brokers match the buyers and sellers through the exchange or automated mechanism. And if we just watch the whole market, the whole Forex market, you need just to watch this triangle: trader, broker, and globe gauge. So if you want to trade Forex, you need to open a brokerage account. At brokerage account, you pay using spreads and commissions to the broker during the trading, and you trade. The interesting aspect of the world Forex market is there is no physical buildings that function as a trading venues for the markets. Instead, it's a series of connections made for the trading terminals and computer networks. Participants in the market are institutions, investment banks, commercial banks, or retail investors. This is very important because Forex trading is not only when you trade beside your computer. Forex trading is when you go to the exchange office in your street and you exchange your dollars for euros. Or maybe you go to the bank and there you exchange your euros from yens. This is the Forex trading. Whenever you exchange your money for some other national currency, it's a Forex trading. It's not just trading beside the computer. It's a real life trade. Even as a tourist, you go in some country and give your national currency there. It's a Forex trading. Everything is Forex trading. Because of that, we have a trillions and trillions of dollars liquidity every single day. The principle in trading, even the Forex, in the stock markets everywhere, is demand and supply. We always have intersection between the demand and supply. Sometimes it works awesome, sometimes it works okay, and some doesn't work anymore. Market participants use Forex to hedge against international currencies and interest rate risk, to speculate on geopolitical events, and to diversify portfolios among the reasons. What the most important thing is that you always need to know that demand and supply is very important impact on the price in the Forex market. This is very important. And you need to know, if you think about demand and supply and think about trading and predictions and everything, to know it's a like a leverage, something like that you always are 50-50 chance that you will win or lose. Probability is really 50-50%. Of course, if you use a technical analysis and fundamental analysis, you can increase few percents your prediction, your probability to win. But trading is not prediction. Trading is just to use opportunities, make analysis, and try just in few percents to be better than 50%. Like I said before, you have two numbers to watch when you talk about Forex market. It's a bid price and ask price. And between is a spread. The spread is something that the broker will earn from your trade. The spread or commission, if you have a zero spread account, is something that you need to pay because of trading. But believe me, if you trade stocks, you will see that the price and commission for trading stocks are huge. If you trade too much, you can lose a lot of money. But in Forex, this spread is very, very small. And this is something that is a big advantage of the Forex. Look this. For example, you have a spread 0.5, 0.2, 0.3. So less than pip is the spread between the bid and ask price. As a trader in Forex industry, you can buy, sell, you can hold, but there is one more way of trading: do nothing. So if you choose do nothing, it's a very smart trade, because when you do nothing, you cannot lose money. Maybe you cannot win, but a lot of patient and smart people know that you should always avoid over trading. You should not trade too much and too often. And now on our website we created one interesting comparison, so we can compare the Forex traders and stocks traders and a lot of benefits of Forex trading. For example, Forex traders can do short, medium, long time trading. Stocks traders, it's very expensive to be short time stock trader, and usually they trade long time. Then you can use all kind of charts if you trade as a Forex trader and use a technical analysis much more than stocks traders. Stock traders use 4-hour charts, daily charts, etc. One of the biggest advantages is that you can trade Forex 24 hours a day, 5 days in a week. And if you're a stock trader, only a few hours during when the market is open. For example, US market, several hours, UK market, several hours, etc., etc. And of course, one of the biggest advantage, because we have for example, euro/dollar. That means that you can always buy euros, sell dollars, or sell dollars, buy euros, etc. You can short and you can buy very easily currency pairs. However, if you're a stock trader, if you want to short stock, it's a little bit expensive and complicated. So the Forex market is much, much better for that. Now, the biggest advantage is time. Like I said, there is a lot of time zones, and you can trade in any kind of time zone, because 24 hours, 5 days in a week is excellent coverage for every single trader. And I like this. What is important in Forex that you need to know? There are several important time sessions: New York session, European session, Asia session. And these sessions are very important because you need to choose in which session you will trade most. For example, I live in Europe, I like European session. Other people live in US, like US session. I like to trade during the European and US session, when the sessions overlap, where the market liquidity is the biggest. And if you want to be range trader when the market is not so interesting and there is a lot of spikes, you can trade during the Asia session. One of the biggest advantages of Forex trading is margin trading. Why? Because as a Forex trader, you will get special leverage and margin opportunities. 1 to 5, 1 to 10, 1 to 20. Sometimes, and more often today, the standard in Forex industry 1 to 100. So you have 100 times bigger opportunity, bigger buying power than in other markets. About leverage and its margin, it's complicated. We will talk in some other lessons. But for the beginning, in this video when we explain Forex, you need to understand that leverage is like very fast car, very expensive car. So how that works? You should trade with low risk. You should risk less than 1% of your account. You should never trade on margin. It's not good. But the good thing is, when you have a strong, high buying power. It is as same as a car. You can have, for example, the car who's very has a high speed, and because of traffic laws, you cannot use that speed. You will drive all the time very fast, your car, of course. But it's good to have a very fast car and very huge buying power. So in that case, the strong and high leverage can be only the benefit for you. Of course, if you trade high leverage products, you can earn more, but you can lose more. And a lot of traders lose money. More than 90% of traders lose money in Forex just because of greedy, and because of that, they risk too much. So please do not risk too much. And remember, the trading can be complicated sometimes because there are a lot of trading platforms. For example, the most tradable and most famous trading platform is a MetaTrader, and all Forex traders use this free platform that you can for free use and trade. Of course, there is a CTrader, very similar platform to this, and you can use it for sure. It's very good as well. And there is a lot of platforms that can help you to analyze price, to see what experts think, for example, like Trading Central, etc. So Forex today is very IT oriented, and a lot of support you have from the community and all kind of various platforms for Forex. But for the end, this moment, I just want to tell you that MetaTrader is the free app and the most used app on the world. So you should try and download and find a broker and start trading. And for the start, always try to use demo account and do not risk a lot of money, because as beginner trader you can lose money very fast. So always try to risk very low amount of money or to use demo accounts, and always try to remember that leverage is a good thing and the Forex trading can be a good thing, but you should not risk a lot. Do not be greedy. I wish you great day, and bye bye.